Oh my God, this is gross, guys. Pasintabi sa mga kumakain. Oh my God, guys, totoo nga. This is so satisfying. Hi guys, Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another review na naman ang gagawin natin. And for today's review, we will be reviewing this product or this device. Ito yung vacuum negative pressure acne pore cleaner. So basically, para siya sa ating mga pores or sa mga clogged pores, acne. That sounds great, no? Matatanggal yung ating mga acne, mga clogged siya na pores, yung ating whiteheads and blackheads. Oh my God, like girl, ako sobrang dami kong alaga dyan sa aking mukha. Like gusto ko talaga silang matanggal. So itatry natin to. Ang model na meron ako is the XN8030. It says here, beautiful skincare expert, strong absorption. This is how the box looks like. Ito guys, na-order ko lang siya sa Noon, one of the online shop dito sa Saudi Arabia. This retails for 45.30 Saudi Riyals. So if you guys are interested with this product, I'm gonna be leaving the link down below. Sobrang excited ako na gamitin to guys. Sobrang tiniis ko talaga na hindi siya gamitin. Nung dumating to sa akin, disinfect ko na siya kaagad. Chinurge ko na kaagad para dire-diretso tayo during the review. But yeah, that is how it looks like. As in, pinigilan ko talaga yung sarili ko, girl, hindi to gamitin. Kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung magiging first reaction ko, if masakit ba, nakakakuha nga ba siya ng mga blackheads or whiteheads. Gusto kong i-share yun sa inyo, guys. And ito ngayon, sobrang nagtitrend ito, guys. And actually, one of my friend requested me to do a review about sa product na to. Hi, Chin! If you're watching this, hello! Hi to you, Rala Vlog! I miss you, guys. So, yeah, when you open the package, ito yung unang-unang bubungad sa atin, guys. Ayan. So, meron siyang kasamang manual. Sobrang importante na binabasa natin yung manual bago natin gamitin ang isang device or isang product. And ito na yung mismong product, guys. Ayan, nakalagay siya sa styro. So, when you open it, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Tada! So, basically, it comes with 4 heads. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of the head, meron siyang kanya-kanyang purpose. And it also comes with this cord or cable kasi i-charge mo tong device. And it also comes with free na sponge. Ito yung magiging filter ng dumi na masasuction natin later on. So guys, let's talk about muna sa mga heads or itong mga extra na ganito. Kung ano yung purpose nila. So from the packaging, guys, ito na yung head na nakalagay. Ayan o, pansinin nyo yung hole niya dyan. It says here, the microcrystal pore of the artificial crystal particle. The surface of the microcrystal is big and the surface has the absorption performance. Under the condition of no damage to the skin, better massage the skin to achieve the effect of exfoliating. So basically, this one exfoliate. So yun na yung sinabi ko kanina na nakakapag-exfoliate siya ng whiteheads, blackheads, or acne. So that is the use of this one. Now, I'm gonna be changing the head into this. Sobrang bilis lang niya tanggalin, guys, no? You just have to twist it like that. Ayan, then hila. Ayan. So, papalitan ko siya nitong head na to, guys. Let me focus to you, guys. As you can see, round naman siya, no? Malaki yung round niya dyan sa gitna. And sa paglagay naman, you just have to push and then twist a little bit. Ito naman, guys, big round hole sucker has the characteristic of strong suction. So, compared kanina, mas malakas ang pag-suction if ito yung head na gagamitin mo. Mainly for blackhead, grease, dust, cosmetic residues, etc. This is also fragile. Thin skin should be used with caution. Once a week, about 5 minutes a time, specifically depending on the skin. So, ayun guys ha, take note, itong head na to should be used only once a week and 5 minutes lang siya, depending on the skin condition. So, mas malakas yung suction nito, mas malakas yung pressure niya compared sa kaninang nauna, ito which is the micro lang, no? So, maliit lang siya. Now, moving on, papalitan ko na naman siya ng head. As you can see, mas maliit na head compared kanina. Ito yung malaking head, ayan. Mas malaki yung hole niya. This one is kinda smaller. Ayan, as you can see, has weak suction, which can be used for fragile, thin skin skin to absorb grease, dust, cosmetic residues, and etc. So ako guys, kung papapiliin ako, I will go for this one kasi mas malakas yung suction characteristic niya or yung pressure niya. Kasi ako guys, kailangan ko talaga ng deep cleaning kasi I have a lot of residue diyan sa mukha ko, like blackheads and whiteheads and acne. So kailangan ko talaga ng matindi. Depende din yan guys ha, sa skin condition nyo. If your skin is sensitive, I suggest na gumamit kayo nito. The first one kanina kasi ito micro lang siya. And then the suction characteristic niya is hindi ganon katindi compared to this one. Well, malalaman natin yan mamaya. Okay, so the last head na meron tayo dito guys is ito. As you can see, parang oval yung hole niya dyan sa kanyang head. Ayan. So, lagay natin siya dito. Okay, ayan. So, that is how it looks like, guys. So, ito naman, guys, the small elliptical hole is designed for daily skincare. So, sa canthus ng iyong mouth, dito sa mga gilid-gilid. So, out of 4 heads, ito lang talaga, guys, ha. Ayan, yung may pinakamalaking hole, ito lang talaga ang recommended gamitin once a week dahil nga mas malakas yung kanyang pressure or yung kanyang suction characteristic. Okay, so bago natin siya gamitin guys, tatanggalin ko muna yung aking makeup para makita talaga natin yung mga dirt na makukuha niya. Kasi if meron kang makeup dyan, masasali yan sa mga nakukuha niya. So, hindi mo malalaman if yung nakuha lang niya is yung makeup lang ba or kung yung mga residue talaga dyan sa skin mo like blackheads and whiteheads. To remove my makeup, I'm gonna be using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil. Ito guys, sobrang favorite ko to. If you haven't seen my review about this one, I'm gonna be leaving the link dito sa taas. I so love this guys. And I forgot pala to mention sa aking video na yun kung gaano to kabago. Guys, sobrang bango niya. As in, sobrang bango niya. I really love the smell of this micellar water. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna be removing my makeup except for the brow. Okay, alam niyo na yan guys. Mag-i-stay muna dyan yung ating brow until we're done. So, ayan yung makeup na nakuha ko sa aking face, guys, no? So, just to make sure talaga na totally wala ng makeup dyan sa aking face, kumuha ako ulit ng round puffs. Ayan. So, clean pa natin. Para malinis talaga yung ating face. Para ang makuha lang niya mamaya is yung ating whiteheads and blackheads. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna zoom you in para makita nyo yung aking skin condition as of the moment. Okay guys, so the first one na aking gagamitin is ito guys, no? Ito yung para sa fragile or sensitive skin. Ayokong dumiretso dito sa mas malaking hole guys. So, let's go first muna dito sa, mild lang muna. So, meron siyang 5 level. When you push again this button, mas lalakas yung kanyang pag-suction. 2, that is level 2. Level 3. Level 4. And lastly, the level 5. Ayan. So guys, I would like to start sa level 1. Okay, so good luck sa atin. So basically, ang ginagawa ko is pagkalapat, ginaglide ko siya kaagad. Wow, grabe. This is so satisfying. As in. So far guys, wala pa akong duming nakikita na na-suction from my face. So, try ko ngayon sa level 2. I'm gonna press the button. Guys, as you can see, nagsilabasan yung aking whiteheads. Yung pamumula guys is normal lang yan ha. Later on it will subside. But you guys, as in, sobrang nagsilabasan yung aking whiteheads. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo. But ayun guys, oh ayan oh, nagsilabasan siya. Parang naangat siya. Kakasuction. nakikitang dumi na nasuction niya. Ayan. But one thing na napansin ko talaga guys is yung whiteheads ko, as in umangat talaga siya. Kakasuction, which is normal lang yun. And the redness here, oh ayan. Pero hindi siya masakit ha. Promise, hindi siya masakit guys. It's really normal na magre-red yan dyan. Kasi syempre diba sinasuction yung skin mo. But guys, okay, wala akong nakitang dumi na nasuction niya. So, gusto ko siyang palitan. I will go into this one. Yung pinakamalaking hole. Diba ito yung para talaga sa deep cleaning. Ito yung recommended gamitin for only once a week kasi mas matindi yung kanyang suction. So, good luck talaga sa atin. Sana may makuha siya, no? Pero, ili-level 1 ko lang siya, guys. Okay, let me zoom you in para makita natin. Ito, guys, these are dryness, ha? Hindi yan siya whiteheads. Sobrang nagda-dry lang talaga ako dito sa part ng aking face. But yeah, let's go into this. And then, level 1 lang muna, guys. Guys, nag-level 2 ako. Let's try the level 3. Oh my god, that was intense. Oh. Oh my god, this is gross guys, pasintabi sa mga kumakain. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo merong puti. Dito guys ha, pansinin nyo dito sa side. Ayun guys, kita nyo ba yung puti dyan? Those are my whiteheads. Oh my god guys, totoo nga. Ayan, oh, na-remove niya talaga. And then, tingnan nyo dito guys, dito sa hole. Okay, dito sa round. Sa tip, ayan, oh, nagba-brown. Oh my goodness. Those are dirt from my face. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Guys, make sure ha, na pagkatapos siyang gamitin, hugasan niyo siya ng mabuti kasi nga andito yung mga dirt. Oh my god, I am so satisfied with this. Don't worry for the redness kasi mamaya magsasubside din yung mga yan. Dito din sa gilid ng aking nose, ayan oh, meron dyang redness. Especially here, kasi dito ako nag-focus kanina. Alright guys, so that is basically it sa video na ito guys. Ayoko na munang i-stress yung aking skin kasi ayan may redness na. So tama na muna. Babalitaan ko kayo guys no sa mga upcoming na mga videos ko about this one. But for now, I would recommend this one guys. It's super duper convenient. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas, especially ngayon na may pandemic. So lahat sa atin parang bihira na lang makakapunta ng spa or sa mga dermatologist ninyo. So why not buy this one? Clean your face at home. So hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. This is effective. As in, hindi ko in-expect na makakakuha talaga siya. Like at first, parang wala masyado. But when I changed the head and then the level also, nag-level 4 pala ako guys ha. Saka ko nakuha yung mga dirt na yun. So how much more pag nag-level 5 ka? And siguro guys, yung ways niya na makuha yung dirt is paunti-unti siya. Like for example, today, parang napaangat lang niya yung whiteheads mo or yung blackheads mo. The following day, nagagamitin mo siya since nakaangat na yung mga whiteheads mo. Siguro that's the time na matatanggal na niya totally. But yeah, that's basically it for this video guys. I would recommend this product to you guys. For me, it's worth to buy naman. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe na rin if you haven't already. If you have a request and suggestion for our next video, please don't forget to comment them down below. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll be seeing you on my next one. Bye!